Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting essentials ready. Plug in the charger if battery is low and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network, because large backups fail on mobile data. Next, make sure you are signed into the Google account you'll use for backup. This links app data, contacts, and settings. Once done, free a little storage on Google Drive or prepare an SD card or USB drive so the backup has space. Then open Settings and go to System Backup to start. Now you configure what to save. Toggle on Backup to Google Drive and confirm the correct account because that determines where your data goes. Select which data types to include: app data, call history, contacts, device settings, and SMS, since each saves differently. For photos and videos, use Google Photos Backup or manually copy DSIM to external storage if you want a local copy. Once selections are in place, tap Backup Now and watch the progress to ensure no failures. Finish by confirming the backup completed. Check the timestamp in Settings Backup so you know it finished successfully. If you see errors, first check Wi-Fi, ensure the Google account sync is enabled, and confirm enough space on Drive or your external storage. Then retry the backup. Finally, test Restore on a spare device or emulator to verify important data restored correctly. This step proves your backup works, so you won't be surprised if you ever need to recover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.